What's going on, everyone? I am back here with another video for you guys today. And today I'm going to be giving you guys a look at the new Xbox One SmartGlass application that was just released a few days ago. So essentially what this application is for is basically to be the Xbox One companion app. Just like the PlayStation 4's companion app, the PlayStation official app, I guess it's called. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump into the application right over here. So here's what the icon looks like. It says Xbox One Smart Glass. Go ahead and jump right in. So once you sign in and get all that set up and go through the tutorial, you'll be greeted with the home screen of the application here, which gives you your recent activity and quick launch features. So up top here is where Xbox One activity would show, but as you can see, I do not actually have an Xbox One to connect this application to at this time. So that's one thing I'm not going to be able to show you guys in this video. But let's continue. So on this page, you have recent activity, like I said here. Then down here, you have some featured features, I guess. So you have a featured game, Dead Rising, The Walking Dead, Doctor Who, and then some other games here, Blu-ray disc, and everything like that. So that's pretty cool. Then if you were to have an Xbox One, and you did want to connect this application to the system, all you'd have to do is hit this connect icon up here. So if you click that, it would search for consoles on your home network, which, as you can see here, I don't have any right now. But if you did, your console will show up in this list here, and you can click on it and get connected. Fairly simple and easy. And then you have a search magnifying glass, which that's basically just an overall search function. So, say for example, if I wanted to search for a particular game, I could say, just for this case, Call of Duty. Let's type that in, Call of Duty Ghosts, the most recent one. So it gives you a list of all of the games and stuff that's related with Call of Duty Ghosts. So if you do happen to find the game or app that you want, you can go ahead and click on it. It'll take you to this page here where you can get some more information about it. Go ahead and let it load up for a second. My internet's kind of slow where I'm at right here, so it may not load. I'm not sure. But if it doesn't, I'll just come back to this in just a little bit. So it looks like I'm going to have to do that. So I'll come back to that in just a little while. So, but moving on, if you hit this icon up here, kind of like a grab handle sort of thing. So if you click that, you will go to the sidebar where you can go to all the different sections of the app. So the first one is Home, Friends, Achievements, Pins, Messages, and Settings, and then your profile, of course. So starting with Profile, once you jump over to Profile, you can see everything about or see all of your stats, essentially. So you can see your gamer tag, your gamer score, gamer picture, your reputation, which is shown as a little green bar right there. It'll show how many friends you have and how many followers. And then sliding to the right, you have recent activity, my game clips, which, like I said, I don't currently have any, but if you were to have some in-game recorded clips, you can view them within this section of the application, which is really cool. And then you have, lastly, where you can view all of your achievements. So that's pretty cool. Next, you have your friends list. When you jump over there, this is a generic way to view all of your friends on your Xbox Live account, both on Xbox 360 and Xbox One, so it's pretty cool. So you can scroll through the whole list of friends, and then if you want to view them alphabetically, you can scroll on this little sidebar and go select a certain letter, and it'll go to that group of friends with that first letter of their username. And then you can hit Find Friends right here, and you can search for the exact gamer tag if you don't feel like scrolling through the entire list of your friends. So that's pretty useful. And then you can have a sorting option. You can either sort by favorites, friends, or followers. Of course, I have it currently selected to be under friends. And then if you swipe this way, you can see your friends' activity feed and all the games that your friends are playing or currently playing, what applications they're using, and all that good stuff. So that's pretty cool. And then if you were to click on one of your friends, you can see their profile, gamer score, reputation, and all that. And then you can have a few options down here, which will allow you to send a private message, remove them as a friend, add them to your favorites, or block that person altogether. And then, just like in your profile, if you swipe to the right, you can see the recent activity, their recorded game clips, which is actually cool. You can see your friends, what kind of video clips your friends have recorded, so that's pretty cool. And then your achievements, and then what friends are on your friends' friend list. So that's kind of cool. Let's go back. So now moving on, we have achievements, which I particularly, at this current time, I do not have any achievements because this revolves around the Xbox One achievements, which, like I said, I don't have any. But then you can swipe to the right, view featured challenges, game progress, so you can view all of your game progress and achievements for your Xbox 360 console. That's pretty cool. And then swiping to the right, again, you can see achievements from all of your friends. So it's pretty cool. And now moving on, we have your customized pins, which basically this is where you can customize a set of pins or applications, I should say, that you can get quick access to and launch them onto your Xbox One console. So say, for example, you click on the Netflix application. You have a few options where you can play on an Xbox One console. So if you hit that button right there, that will stream the app right over onto your Xbox One console. Very seamless and very nice. Then you have Play and Snap, which that'll snap the application alongside whatever it is you're currently doing. So say if you're watching TV or you're playing a video game or something, you can hit this button and it'll snap the Netflix application right alongside that current thing that you may be doing. So that's pretty cool. And then you can get details about that particular application. Here we are. Now that section is finally loaded up. So it gives you the same options. Play on Xbox One. You can have the option to pin or unpin, get help, and then get some overview about the application. So pretty cool. Pretty interesting features there. Alright, moving on. We have messages. And pretty straightforward. This is just basically where all of your Xbox Live messages will come into play. So any messages that you receive on both the Xbox 360 and Xbox One will show up within this one section here, which is nice. So if you want to click on a message, you can click on it just like so. And then you can reply, block, delete, or view that person's profile. So, pretty cool. Let's go back, and then if you want to compose a new message, you'd hit the plus icon, add the recipient, search through your friend list like so, and then type the message in like so here, and then you'd hit done, and then hit send, and it'll send it off to your friend. So that's pretty cool. And if you want to cancel that, you can hit cancel. It'll ask you if you want to discard, hit OK, and you're good to go. So lastly, we have the settings application, or settings section, I guess. And in here, just gives you general application settings, where you can choose to sign out. You can have the application or device stay awake for the time that you're using it. So you can, as it says here, use your device will not lock while SmartGlass is open. This will decrease battery life. So when you check this icon here, it will keep the application on and keep the device awake while you're using the application. So you don't get any disrupted connections, which is very good. Then you have the version, You can go and click this to get to go back to the tutorial if you forgot how to use the application. So then we can go at the end, get started, and go back, and then help and privacy, which that's nothing about that. So anyway, that's basically the runabout of the new Xbox One SmartGlass application. Of course, to get the full functionality and get the full feel for this application, you're going to, of course, want to have an Xbox One to connect to. But it does have some basic functionality if you do not own an Xbox One or are going to get an Xbox One but just do not have it yet. So, yeah, this application is really, really cool in my opinion. It's really useful from what I'm seeing so far. And I would highly recommend it for those of you who do own an Xbox One. But like I said, for those of you that don't, it's still a very useful application. It'll let you get things done and check out what your friends are doing. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to, let me get the exposure up. It's kind of dark. Alright. Make sure to hit the subscribe button right down there. Very, very appreciated and helps me out a lot. Also, thumbs up the video. That's also appreciated. And if you have any comments or questions about this particular video or application, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. So yes, once again, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and peace out till next time.